If you're trying to download the Pokémon Champions from the Google Play Store and you get this message which says your device isn't compatible with this version. Now, the most common reason for you to get this message is because your phone doesn't meet the minimum requirement for Pokémon Champions. Now, to look for the minimum requirement, just go to this website here. I'll put the link on the description of this video. Now, basically, this website shows what are the mobile device compatibility requirements. Now, it shows here for iPhone and Android. Now, since we're using Android, let's focus on Android. They say here the minimum requirement is Android 13.0 or later, and the 4 GB of RAM or more. They also say here on the notes, the app may not launch on devices that have been modified in a ways not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. The app is not guaranteed to work on all devices, even if those devices meet the listed requirement. They also say the app may not always work properly for various reasons, including performance, certain specifications, and the operating condition. They also say it may take some time for the app to be supported on the newest operating system versions. Now, to check if you meet the minimum requirement, you can just do this. They need Android 13 or 4 GB of RAM. So you can just tap on the settings. And then also the settings, let's start with RAM. If you're on Samsung, you can just select here on device care. You can see here RAM has been indicated on the memory. Now you can see my phone meet the minimum requirement. Also, to check your Android version, just scroll down and select on About Phone. And then scroll down, select on Software Information. Now you can see here the Android version is indicated here. Now they need at least Android version 13 or later. Now my Android version is 16. So to check if you can update your Android version, which is very important, just select here back. You can just scroll down and then select on Software Update. And then select Check for Updates. If you see any update on your phone, ensure that you update your phone to the latest Android version. Updating your phone to the latest Android version can help you meet the requirements that can allow you to download the game. So after updating, you can just go to the Google Play Store, restart your phone, and then search for Pokémon Champions to see if you can fix the problem. But another thing I want you to remind you, don't download the APK versions from most websites. So some people can go to the website and then can search for the game APK. If you download the game APK from the external website, you'll meet this error message here. So if you try to open the game, they'll tell you get this app from the Play Store. So you should not try to download the APK from external website. Always download the APK from the Google Play Store. And if your phone doesn't meet the requirements, you can try to use a different devices, maybe like another phone that has the minimum requirement. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.